Turn your photos into beautiful watercolor paintings. Presenting Aquarelle Watercolor Painting Photoshop plugin. With Aquarelle, you can transform any photo into realistic hand-drawn paintings in just one click. You just need Photoshop and no advanced skill in it. Simply open your image, load up the plugin files, and run it. That's it. One more time. Open your image in Photoshop. The plugin is already loaded. Just locate it and run it. Done. Just one click to experience the magic. Moreover, after the effect is applied, you can customize different options to turn your final composition into a masterpiece. So what are you waiting for? Check out Aquarelle Watercolor Painting Photoshop plugin now.